Hey everybody, welcome to the market wrap for the week. You're on with Mike. Before we start, we do have a class starting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific, so that's 1 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be 3 hours. I think the last hour is going to be used for question Q&A session. So it's a crash course in the S&P futures. So if you're looking to learn how to trade futures, this is the best place to do so, and especially if you're in a budget as well. So you still have until midnight tonight, Friday, April 8th, to register. We got still a few more spots left. We currently have 6 people registered, but it's going to be split to 2 groups. So again, if you're interested, definitely check us out. I think we're going to do this weekends. Of course, as per demand, you know, shows every week, but I think we're going to do it Saturdays. Seems like a lot of people really prefer the weekends. Kind of gets out of the way for, from all their work lives and all that stuff. So something to think about. So with this week, I think the S&P largely closed unchanged. I mean, it's still positive for year to date, but they keep defending that 2035 level. Bears really tried to reinitiate their dominance in the market this week, and they really did try. I mean, they even got help from Yellen being a little bit more hawkish than usual on Wednesday night, or Thursday night rather. And again, we still had some stick saves along the way. With respect to your trades, I mean, it doesn't matter if you're a futures, forex, or stock trader. You really have to kind of look at the individual securities that you trade and make sure you understand, where we're at, what period of the year we're at, and how it applies to your trading style. So there's a lot of challenges right now. I mean, there's a lot of people who have been having problems with swing trading and all that stuff. So with respect to everything, you have to really make sure that things work for you. Okay, so it was largely a very quiet week, so this wrap will be very, very quick. The biggest to note, or the biggest ones to note, are Japanese yen. The USD/JPY dropping about close to about 700 pips this week, and oil rallying better than expected, about 3 or 4%, for probably more than that, I think. 10% actually this week. So with you got to look at everything, and you can use different reasons as to why these two are dropping or rallying. It doesn't matter. What is interesting is that the fundamentals seem to be not being factored at this point. So you have to be careful with your trades. If you're a fundamental trader, I don't know how far you're gonna go with this market. This market's very momentum based. Not necessarily any sort of fundamentals are being factored in. We are short Tesla, and Tesla's been pretty good. So it's still the biggest question we got this week is the Tesla run over? We really can't answer that. I mean, that's a question that you can probably tweet at Elon Musk and ask him if he still has a few more tricks up his sleeve. But we took a tactical short. It's been working out pretty well. So who knows? Clients been happy. Clients of all those have been pretty happy with that. UVXY was also a pretty good short going into today. Again, you just gotta do what you gotta do. If you understand the market very well, if you understand the game, you can time your trades pretty nicely. Another largely quiet week next week. I'd say more of the events next week will be probably outside of the U.S. than domestically, so don't expect too much. I'll end with just a few more data. Canadian employment number was pretty good today, so you saw the U.S. CAD dropping there. With the look ahead for next week, again, if the week is if you're a stock trader, then you will have to be careful because earnings season is starting, and you got to look at your portfolio this weekend. Make sure that the stocks that you have or you hold in there still belong in your portfolio. If it doesn't feel right, you might want to reevaluate, recheck or review, and then probably dump them because you never know. I personally am expecting a very, very bad earnings season, but the market can always go the other way. That's it for me. Have a wonderful weekend, and see you folks next time.